They really put a full Sunday dinner inside a wonton wrapper. I'm at the World Famous Eggroll truck to see if their soul food, curry chicken, and Philly cheesesteak rolls are actually worth the hype. What's going on, beautiful people? Today we're at World Famous Eggroll food truck and we're about to see what they're working with, all right? I'm a little bit starving right now, so let's go.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding.
Look at this variety. They aren't just, doing your standard cabbage and pork rolls. We're talking about fusion. They've got like everything. When I say everything, they got Philly cheesesteak, hibachi, the full-on soul food, curry chicken, you name it. We've actually made it out here early to beat the rush, which was a smart move because once that lunch rush hits, the entire lot fills up and that line starts wrapping all the way around the food truck, guys. All right, y'all, so I ordered the curry chicken egg roll and the Philly cheesesteak. All right, so far it's looking good, it's smelling good. And Deandra, she ordered, what's this?
That's the
Brisket?
yeah, the barbecue.
Barbecue brisket with
The
collard green mac and
food.
cheese, soul food. So it's a combination of mac and cheese, collard greens, chicken, and a few other items. All right, so, and this is my seasoned fries. So I ordered the seasoned fries.
You got the strawberry lemonade.
And the strawberry lemonade.
And I got the mango sweet tea. This is good, try this.
This is good. It's not too sweet. I don't like when my juice is like overly sweet. And this is just right, guys.
This is a southern mango tea. It's really good. And it's not too sweet either.
Southern mango tea. Oh, this is like refreshing. You can see the freshly chopped mangoes on top. All right, but I didn't come here for the juice. I came here for the egg roll, so we're about to find out. And this is their curry chicken egg roll, guys. Curry chicken. Let's take a bite and see if it's actually any good. Let's see if it's worth the hype. I heard their food is off the chain. So the curry chicken, you could see the cabbage, the white rice on the inside. So that's a plus. And it seemed like they added some kidney beans. See? Yeah. So let's take a bite.
Let me see it. Oh yeah.
Well,
The garlic parm fries is good.
yeah. This is very good, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. It's not overly seasoned, The chicken is still, not too soft and not too hard. Just right.
Good. Not greasy. Yeah.
Yes, guys, it's not greasy. Even though it's deep fried, it's not greasy at all. The flavor is on point. So this is a win-win for me right now. So I'm just gonna take one more bite of the curry chicken egg roll, and then I'm gonna try my Philly cheesesteak egg roll. I know I said I was gonna take one more bite, guys, but this is so good. I gotta finish it up.
Really good.
This right here is their sauce. Based on looking at it, this is sweet Thai chili. The white sauce might be some type of tartar sauce, but let me find out. Yeah, so the white sauce is some type of aioli that they mix with the sweet Thai chili. Mix it up. I'm assuming you could add it to your fries or the egg roll, All right, that's what's up. All right, this one is a Philly cheesesteak right here, guys. So what do you think so far, Deandra? Which one is that?
The barbecue brisket.
Let me try it.
Really good.
So this is the barbecue brisket. So it's loaded with mac and cheese, barbecue sauce, brisket, and I believe this is the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce on top. Whoa.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and tender. Perfect.
Yo, that barbecue brisket is wicked. Mm. Let's try the cheesesteak. This is different. Very good. You know, the cheese is like fully melted, you know, infused with the beef. You know, it seems like the beef that they use is similar to ground beef, but I don't think it's ground beef, but they chopped it up so small.
Yeah.
It resembles ground beef, but it's good. The flavor is different. This is nice, guys. Mm.
Zero complaints.
Guys, I'm already full. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm stuffed. Mm. All right, guys. So overall, this place is amazing. This food truck spot, guys. Y'all definitely got to check them out whenever they're in your area, because they move around throughout Florida. So they have like different locations, you know. So you got to go on their website, and they do a little post and let you know when they're going to be in your area. So you just got to keep watching and see if they're close by. All right. So, but with that being said, the food is off the chain. The egg rolls, like everything that I tried so far, is good. You know, 10 out of 10, guys. You know, like, matter of fact, 100 out of 10. That's how good, you know, the egg rolls are, guys. Like I said, I tried the curry chicken egg roll, the Philly cheese steak. I tried the barbecue brisket and the soul food. And I can't even choose a favorite, guys. That's how good they are. So definitely look them up. You know, I'll leave their information in the description of this video. And see you in the next one.